What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see right here, we have Luna Decentraland. It's not Decentraland, my bad, it is just Luna Terra. First of all, we can clearly see that we're just falling down. I know that a lot of people want to know the update and all this stuff because we clearly, after they've run to the downside, we were a little bit up. I'm not even going to lie about that. There was a rally of around 24 point something dollars. But right now, we're just falling down. And as you can see, we had this moment to the upside, like from the prediction back in on 11th of June. We were up exactly how we wanted it, and now it just continues to deliver the prices below. And obviously, my prediction is that the thing may continue. I mean, look at this. Where am I aiming for this to go ahead and clear out is this low right here. And genuinely believe we could be tapping into these supply areas, or more so, these right here. Okay, to then continue go lower or from there on. So this is just my own opinion. Let me know what are your thoughts about Luna. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Have a wonderful